The all-encompassing nature of the war and substantial casualties were the reason why children had to both figuratively and literally step into their father's shoes at the factories. And some even had to become fighters. Some fought at the front lines, others in partisan groups. 4 became the heroes of the Soviet Union. Leonid Golikov, Partisan. He alone managed to secure important intelligence by blowing up a car of a German general. He took part in 27 military operations, died in battle. Marat Kazei, Partisan and scout. Once he saved his group from death by bringing reinforcements. When he was ambushed by Nazis, he blew himself and the German death squad up with a hand grenade. Valentin Kotik, Partisan, twice wounded in battle. He sabotaged the communication between Warsaw and Hitler's headquarters. In his last fight, he managed to alert his group in time, and the partisans were able to fight back. Zinaida Portnova, member of the underground movement and saboteur. During her interrogation, she shot 2 Gestapo officers. Overall, more than 20,000 Soviet teenagers fought in the Great Patriotic War.